So you got an estimate for a new AC system, $8,000. That number probably stopped you cold. Here's what it actually includes: a licensed insured company, 10 years in Tampa Bay, and a clean record with the state. The same crew shows up every time. The install itself: flushing the line set, nitrogen when we braze, hurricane tie downs, we do all three, every install. A real written estimate before anybody touches anything. Every part, every hour, priced out. You keep copies, photos, and receipts. And the warranty: 1 to 12 years on labor. That's ours. 10 to 12 on parts from the manufacturer, because we register your equipment. None of that is an add-on. That's just the job. Now let's put that $8,000 in perspective. Right now, our financing is 0% for 24 months. That's about $340 a month. Not the bank's money, just the system, split up. Same job, same warranty, way easier number. 0% for 24 months right now. Book a free estimate and let's get you a real number.